Good morning, all of you.
Good, sir.
Morning, sir.
Okay, let's continue with the yesterday's session. I have given you some homework. Hope all of you have done that, and I hope everybody is carrying the notebook also. Okay. Now we have started yesterday the goal stack planning in case of the artificial intelligence. So yesterday also we have discussed the main reason behind utilizing the goal stack planning in case of the artificial intelligence to handle the interactive compound goal. Yesterday I told you what is mean by the compound goal is when there are the multiple goals are there in the goal state, and some of the goals within a goal state are already satisfied within a initial state, then that particular goal we are considered as a compound goal. So in order to handle that kind of goal or to solve that kind of problem, we utilize the goal stack planning. Else, I told you why this is being referred as a goal stack planning, because we use the stack for this purpose to solve this, to do this planning and solve this problem. And this stack contains our different goals, sub goals, different kind of operators as operations like the add, as a push, delete or pop. It also contains the different kind of precondition that we utilize when we perform some action. Okay. And basically, the goal stack planning solve the problem working from the backward, means starting from the goal and then looking for certain action to perform, and then trying to satisfy the precondition of that action to move forward. Okay. And this during this solving the problem, we come across the different kind of precondition. As you know, if you want to perform some action, there is a need that certain precondition must be get satisfied. Okay, such kind of precondition we can also call, we can also refer to the some such kind of precondition as a sub goals also. Okay, this part already also yesterday we have discussed. So as already I told you why this is being referred as a goal stack plan, because it is stack to hold the goals, action to satisfy the goals, different kind of knowledge base to hold the current state, action, etc., etc. There is a utilization of the stack. Okay. And when you solve the problem, you can see it is also look like the search tree. Okay. When you solve the problem, you will understood that. Now this is the pseudocode. Okay. I told you to carry the book. Now you just write down this statement in the book. Okay. Quickly, you just mention this pseudocode in the notebook, so that will refer when you solve the problem. Okay, and that will get understood what exactly meaning of this. Okay. Yes, all of you are writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly. Just in short, mention this pseudocode. Okay, where the first statement you can see, push the original goal on the stack. As I said, we start from the, we start with the backward reasoning. So we'll start from the goal. So that is the first code I have written here, pseudocode. Push the original goal on the stack and repeat this until the stack is empty. Okay. Second code, pseudocode is the, if stack top is the compound goal. I told you the meaning of that. In the example also I will show you. If stack top is the compound goal, push its unsatisfied sub goal on the stack. This is the second. What if stack top is the compound goal, push its unsatisfied sub goal on the stack. Okay, like I shown you yesterday also. If this is your initial state, like this B block, then A block. Okay, again on the same table we have the D block, C block. Okay, this is your starting state or the initial state. And I told you we have the goal state like this. Here on the bottom side we have D block. On the above D we have the B block. And on the top we have the A block. So what particular situation we are calling the compound goal? Now this is the goal state. Okay, this second, the goal state. Now you can see in this goal state, this half part, this part, there is a on the B. This is already being satisfied in the initial state only. Yes or no? So that is the reason we are calling such a goal is called as which kind of goal? Compound goal. Understood? But it's below part which is unsatisfied goal. Yes or no? If you compare this below part, below the A, this part, this is the unsatisfied goal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second statement is I have written, if the stack top is the compound goal, then push its unsatisfied sub goal onto the stack. Okay, that is the second. Then if stack top is the single unsatisfied goal, okay, mention this, replace it by action that make it satisfied and push the action precondition onto the stack. All of you are completed writing or still writing?
Completed.
And fourth, I have written, if the stack top is action, pop it from the stack, execute it and change the knowledge base by actions effect. And last one, if stack top is the satisfied goal, then pop it from the stack. Okay, so this with the help of this 4 to 5 code statement, pseudo code statement, we are going to solve the problem using the goal stack plan. So yesterday I told you to refer this kind of rule section in the exam. If the question will ask as a problem to solve such kind of thing given initial state and you have been asked do the goal stack planning to reach to the goal. Okay, then in case of that you should remember these all the rules. If you don't remember all these rules, you will not able to solve the problems. Then problem always being asked for the 8 to 10 marks. That's why I'm stressing on these particular rules in case of the block code puzzle. Okay, I hope you have gone through these rules. Now come to the problem that we have to solve. This is the initial state we have given. Okay, like there is a which is written in some another form on A B, means there is a over the B and there is a C over the D. This is the initial state, and we have to reach to the goal state where there is a B over the D and A over the A over the B. Understood? Now in the fourth lecture also we have solved such kind of problem like this, if you remember. Yes, but that was the completely different from this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is very simple, which is nothing but consists of the single goals. Understood? But it is a combination of multiple goals. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And if you want to solve such kind of things where the compound goal is there, there is a utilization of the goal stack planning. Okay. Now let's see how we can proceed to the solution. Now, as I told you, we always start from the goal state because here we are going to utilize which kind of reasoning or which kind of planning? Backward reasoning. Understood? So we'll start from the goal state and we write that goal state in some predicate form, in some logical form. Here we have written. You understood this? On BD and on AB, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the description of the goal state because we are starting from the goal state. And this is again I have written in some another simplified form. Okay, this is I have written in another simplified form because we have to push this on the stack. Yes or no?
Yes.
like your first statement you have written, you have to push it on the stack. So when you push it on the stack, the top of stack will nothing but this part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
you have to
sir.
understand better way. I have written in this way. So when you push this part on the stack, on the top of stack will be this part. Understood? And that is the reason I said when we start comparing this part with the initial state, you have to start from the bottom side. Yes or no? You have to compare.
Yes, sir.
You have to compare the top of the stack. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And now currently, what is the top of the stack? This part.
A.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when you have to solve this problem as a block word puzzle given, which is considered of the compound goal, we have to start with the goal state, and every time at every step we compare that goal state with the initial state. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you just take down the this initial state and the goal state also in the notebook. Have you taken down? Okay, take down
No, sir.
these. Okay,
Yes,
take down
sir.
this initial state and take down this goal state. Simple. No need to take down this because already we have solved this. Okay. Now see, as I said, we have to start from the goal state. I'm stressing on this problem because it is being asked number of times in the exam for 10 marks. Okay. So as I said, this is being written in another simplified form like this. Okay, and now we start comparing from bottom side, which is nothing but the top of the stack. Now, what is on the top of the stack currently? On AB, yes or no?
Oh, yes, sir.
On AB. Now you have to compare the on AB with which state?
Initial.
Initial
Initial
state.
state.
Now tell me whether it is matching in the initial state.
On ABS.
Yes, on AB is
Yes,
matching.
sir.
Correct.
Matching. Yes, sir.
And as we have mentioned in the pseudocode also, if something which is on the top of the stack is matching, then we pop it.
Yes,
Correct? So that's why I pop it this. Understood? Now, which is above this next part, this is the single unsatisfied goal, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
it is not matching with the initial state.
Yes, sir.
Now see
Yes,
the
sir.
pseudocode and tell me what has to do with this single unsatisfied code, unsatisfied goal. What should we do with this goal, sub goal? This is the satisfied or the unsatisfied?
Unsatisfied.
Unsatisfied. मग याला काय करावं लागलं आपल्याला आता?
Stack वर push
Stack वर push
Code
करायचं.
replace.
बरोबर ना?
Replace
Second
it.
pseudocode statement, correct? You have to push it on the stack, and when you push it on the stack, you have to replace it what?
Action that make it
Replace. You have to replace it with some action that will satisfy this.
Yes, sir.
Now, what rule we have to use for that purpose? You have to put B on D. You have to put B on D.
Yes, sir.
What rule you have to use here?
Stack BD.
You have to use the stack. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's why I said you should remember that rules, then and then only we can solve this kind of problem. So now here at this point, we will not going to pop this. You are getting what I'm saying? Okay, we will not going to pop this because it is unsatisfied. So what we will do, we'll go for performing some action. Here you can see, all of you can see this content that I have written on this slide properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so here I have written, you have to perform the action. A for the action. Now, which action you have to perform? Stack BD.
Stack BD.
Correct? Now, when you can perform the action? When you can perform the action? What are the requirements for performing the action?
Unsatisfied राहिले तर.
Precondition. You need the precondition to be get satisfied. Now, tell me what are the precondition for this rule, for this action to be get performed? प्रीकंडिशन सॅटिस्फाईड झाले पाहिजेत, पण प्रीकंडिशन काय असतील त्या रूल मध्ये प्रीकंडिशन लिहिले ना आपण, बरोबर? तर आता स्टॅक बीडी साठी प्रीकंडिशन काय असेल? होल्ड बी, करेक्ट, अँड क्लिअर डी. यू आर गेटिंग व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग? what precondition will require for
D
stack
hold केला
BD?
पाहिजे आणि क्लिअर डी
E hold झाला पाहिजे आणि
क्लिअर डी
clear D असला पाहिजे. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now same thing I have written in the simplified form here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hold B and clear D. And so what will become on the top of the stack? Clear D.
Yes, sir.
Correct? What will become on the top of the stack? Clear D. Now you tell me whether clear D is there. Is the clear D satisfying?
नो
E clear आहे का नाहीये? D च्या वर काय आहे? C आहे ना?
नाहीये
नाहीये. म्हणून आपल्याला काय करायला लागला आता? हा काय झाला?
बी
Unsatisfied goal झाला.
Yes, sir.
Then in order to
D.
make it satisfied, what we have to do? What rule we have to use? Unstack. You have to use the rule. Which rule? Unstack.
बी
Understood? You have to use the which rule? Unstack. Understood? आता हे तुम्ही मी जसं इथं केलंय तसं हे तुम्ही पॉप करा. Understood? Likewise. Okay. Now here we cannot pop because it is unsatisfied. So in order to make it satisfied, you have to perform the action. You have to use some rule that is nothing but unstack. Understood? Now what unstack? Unstack CD.
CD.
Correct?
Yes.
Now in order to make the unstack CD, what preconditions are requiring? Tell me the preconditions. What precondition will require?
Clear C.
You must have taken down that table also.
सी ऑन डी सी शुड बी ऑन डी and clear
And
C on D.
तीन प्रीकंडिशन सॅटिस्फाईड व्हावे लागतील तिथं. कुठल्या तीन? आर्म एम्प्टी. करेक्ट.
Yes.
And on CD
C on D. Yes, sir.
and
CD
clear
वर
C.
पाहिजे आणि clear C पाहिजे.
ह्या तीन कंडिशन लागतील. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after this I again write it in the simplified form. आर्म एम्प्टी, ऑन CD, clear C. आता टॉप ऑफ द स्टॅक काय असेल सांगा मला. This precondition I have written in the simplified form. So what will be on the top of the stack?
D.
या तीन प्रीकंडिशन मधल्या कुठली प्रीकंडिशन टॉप ऑफ द स्टॅक असेल?
On CD.
ऑन सीडी कशी असेल? जी शेवटला
नाही,
कंडिशन
clear
आली
C.
ती असेल ना?
Clear
क्लिअर सी असेल ना?
क्लिअर
इथं दाखवलं ना रे मी तुम्हाला, इथं पण दाखवलं.
Clear.
सो व्हॉट विल बी ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द स्टॅक? क्लिअर सी.
Clear C.
नाउ डज द क्लिअर सी सॅटिस्फाइंग? कंपेअर इट विथ द इनिशियल स्टेट.
Yes, sir.
Satisfying, correct? So we'll pop these. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
You also pop it in your notebook if you're writing. So we'll pop these clear C because it is satisfying. Then what will be now? What will be now on the top of the stack? Next,
On CD.
on CD. Is this satisfying?
ऑन CD.
CD.
Is this satisfying now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I will also
Yes.
pop this. Pop it. Correct? Then what is
Yes.
on the top of the stack? Which precondition of the top of the
Yes,
stack
sir.
now?
Empty.
Arm
Arm
empty.
I am empty.
Initially arm is empty, so this is also satisfying. Correct?
Yes, sir.
As these all the precondition are satisfying, this everything get pop. As all these get pop, as all the precondition are getting satisfied, now can we perform the action?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the action?
Yes, sir.
Unstack CD.
Unstack CD. These action.
Unstack CD.
And
CD.
as now, because this is action on the top of the stack, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we'll pop these and we'll perform the action. Now see in the pseudocode, when you pop, when you have this some action on the top of the stack, tell me what has to be done. When some action gets satisfied, when you perform some action, what has to be done?
Pop it from the stack, execute it.
हा, आता आपण काय करणार, ही पॉप कार we will pop this action from the stack
Yes, sir.
and
And
we
it will
perform some action and update that effect of that action here in the knowledge base.
knowledge base.
Got the point? Now what action has to be performed?
Yes, sir.
Unstack CD.
Unstack.
Unstack CD.
So this is not here nothing but here we have perform our first action. Note down you first action. Okay. Now I just show you here. You do this in your notebook. What is our first act? What is the result of our first action? I am showing you here. Here this B will be as it is. Okay. Here D will be as it is on the table. Only what you do, the thing you will do is you will unstack the C from the D, and here will be the C in the hand of
AI.
AI agent. This will be your first action. You do it in the notebook, okay? Because it might be get erased when I clear this. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now we have come to here. Okay.
We go to back.
Let me make it slightly fair. Okay, from this we come here, and then we come here. We pop this, we pop this, we pop this, we pop this. Everything. Then we perform first action here. So I'm calling the here we have performed the first action. Okay, and then we come to now. This is done. Now again we. From this part we again go backward here.
Backward here.
आता आपण कुठे जाऊ, क्लिअर डी ला. आपण क्लिअर डी अगोदर सॅटिस्फाय होता का आपला?
नाही.
आता क्लिअर डी सॅटिस्फाय होतोय का?
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Yes. After performing the first action, it is getting satisfied. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll pop
Yes,
this.
sir.
Can we pop this now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now after popping this, what will be on the top of the stack?
Hold B.
Hold B.
B.
Hold B satisfied होतोय का?
नाही. Because A त्याच्यावर आहे.
Hold B satisfied होतोय का?
No.
No. Then what
No.
action has to be performed?
नाही होत सर.
नाही होत ना. Then what action has to be performed to make it satisfied? You have to perform the action pick up. Hold करायचंय ना. Pick up action. Now
B.
according to our rules, what will be the action that need to be get performed? Pick up B. मग pick up B साठी precondition काय आहेत? तुम्ही कधी एखादी गोष्ट पिकअप करू शकता ज्यावेळेस आर्म एम्प्टी असेल,
Arm empty.
I'm empty.
बी टेबल वर असेल. That is on TB.
Arm empty
I have
असेल.
written in the short on TB. Its meaning is what?
TB.
B is on the
On
table
table.
and clear B.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
आता ह्या this all precondition I have written in the simplified
Clear
form
B.
here. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here you have to check now what is on the top of the stack now. Clear B.
Clear
Correct?
B. Yes, sir.
Is the B clear?
No.
Clear B.
आता ही बी क्लिअर आहे. तुम्ही इनिशियल स्टेट मध्ये बघणार का आपल्या ऍक्शन 1 नंतर जी स्टेट आली तिथं बघणार?
Action 1.
Action 1
Action 1.
अपडेटेड स्टेट यू हॅव टू सी. तर
State.
त्याच्यामध्ये क्लिअर बी आहे का?
Update.
टेल मी.
नाही. नाहीये.
क्लिअर बी नाहीये.
Yes. No.
नाही.
Then what has to be done to make the B clear?
Unstack A.
Unstack. You have to do what?
Unstack AB.
Unstack काय? AB. What?
AB.
Unstack AB. हा जो आपण रूल
AB.
यूज केला बघा, हा रूल सेम येतोय पण फक्त इथं ब्लॉक चेंज आहेत. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Now precondition for unstack AB is what? Arm
Arm
empty
empty.
on AB and clear A.
On A being clear.
Arm
Correct. Now what you have to
Yes,
do
sir.
now? We have to write into the simplified form
Empty.
so that you
AB.
can get the knowledge what exactly is
clear.
there on the top of the stack. Now what is on the
Clear
top of
A.
the stack? Clear A.
Clear A.
Clear A.
Now you tell me whether A is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, A is clear. So I pop it.
Yes, sir.
Then tell me whether second precondition is getting satisfied on AB.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
this also I will pop it. This I have
Yes, sir.
popped. This I have popped. Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me whether the arm is empty.
No, because
No.
it holds
No,
the
sir.
Because it was holding what?
C.
It was holding C. So you have
C.
to
Yes,
make the arm empty.
Yes.
Now what rule we have to use to make the arm empty?
Put down C.
Put down. जे हातात आहे ते खाली ठेवलं तरच तुमचा arm empty होईल ना.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what will be the rule for that?
C. C.
Put
Put
down
down.
C. That is
Down
the action.
C.
That is the action you have to perform. Put down C. Now
Put
what is
down
the
C.
precondition for put down C?
Hold C.
Hold C. जर हातामध्ये काय असेल तरच तुम्ही ती खाली ठेवू शकता. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Put
Put down
down
C. So this is I have written in the some okay simplified form, that is the hold
Hold
C.
C.
Does the hold C is getting satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can I pop it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
this also get popped. This now all the only one single precondition was there, that is also getting satisfied. So can I perform this action now?
Yes, sir.
Because this is on the top of the stack. Now when the action get performed, what has to be done?
Back. Go to back.
Go to back to after before that something has to be done na.
push it on to stack. Execute it.
Okay, what you have to do?
So
We have to execute the action,
Yes, sir.
and you have to update the effect of that action in the where knowledge base.
Knowledge base.
So we'll pop it and perform the action. Now action
Execute.
number, how much? Action number 2 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your action number 2. Now you update the action number 2 in your notebook also. Okay. So your action number 2 will be like this. This will remain as it is AB. Then
D.
D as it is on the
D.
table,
And side by C.
and side of it is the C is also
Empty.
on now table, and you
Yes.
got the arm empty. Got the point? Second
Yes,
action.
Condition.
Update this second action. So here we perform the second action, and we will go backward now from here. बरोबर इथे येऊ आपण परत.
Yes, sir.
Now arm is empty.
Yes, sir.
Arm is empty, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we will do? We will pop this. We will pop this.
Yes, sir.
Perform the
Now
action.
all the precondition get satisfied here.
Yes, sir.
So everything
Yes,
get popped. So this action now precondition satisfied. So you will also pop this action from the stack, and you perform some action, execute the action, and
Execute it.
update its
Yes,
effect in the knowledge base.
Update in
Yes, sir.
So what will be the this is nothing but our action number 3rd.
the
Okay. So
Yes,
third
sir.
action will be like what?
Unstack
this
AB.
third.
आता इथं okay, let me show you. Third action will be unstack AB. म्हणजे let me show here. इथं फक्त B राहील, बरोबर?
आणि AI एजंटच्या हातामध्ये राहणार.
AI एजंटच्या हातामध्ये येईल. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
आणि D आणि C as it is टेबलवर. करेक्ट? D and C as it is on the table. Okay, you may write this action in your notebook also. Okay, where we were at this point. Now we come to this point now.
Clearly.
Clear B. Now the B is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we will do? We will pop these.
Yes.
Okay. Second precondition is what? Whether B is on the table.
Yes, is on table.
So we will pop these. Okay. Now does the arm empty?
No.
No. What you have to do to do the arm empty?
Put down A.
Put down A. What you have to do? put down
Put down A.
A. Now what will be the precondition for putting down A? Hold A.
Yes, hold A.
Does the hold A satisfying here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in the third action it is satisfying. So this gets satisfied, this get pop. Now here we have to execute the action, that is what, put down A.
Yes, sir.
Correct? What you have to act, what action you have to perform? Put down
Put down A.
A. Execute that action and update its effect where? In the knowledge.
Knowledge base.
So what will be your fourth action now? What will be
Put
the
down
result?
A.
Result of the fourth action will be like this. See,
Put down
Like A, D, B, D, and C.
A,
B,
B,
B.
B.
C, and D here. Correct? And now arm is empty.
Yes.
Fourth action. Where it is being done? Here. Okay. Fourth action.
Yes, sir.
Now from here we come here again. Now you can see all the precondition are set. This, so arm is now empty. So we'll pop this also. So all the three precondition getting satisfied. So this everything get pop, and now we can perform the action, that is what, pick up B. So it
Yes.
will be get also pop, and we have to perform the action now and update its effect in the knowledge base. So
Knowledge
that
base.
is the action number 5.
5.
Here comes your action number 5. So what will be the effect of your action number 5?
AI agent hold B.
म्हणजे हे जे सगळं जे आहे here, let me do here. A बरोबर.
Yes. B.
B काय असेल? B will be in the hand of
AI agent.
AI agent. Consider this as a hand. Then C is on the table, correct? And D is also on the table. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now our fifth action also get performed. Now we'll go backward like this. Yes. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now does the hold be satisfying now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
can we pop the hold B now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now these all the precondition required for stacking BD are satisfying.
Yes.
So can we perform here action now?
Yes, sir.
That is the action number 6.
6.
And what will be the effect of that action?
E, D on B.
Mm-mm.
D वरती B.
D वरती B का B D वरती?
B on D.
B will be on the
B
D.
on D. Yes,
So
sir.
you will
Sorry.
get the 6 action effect like
B
this.
on D.
6 action
Yes, sir.
effect will be like this. Let me show you here clearly. A is on the table. Then
Next D.
C is
and-
on the table.
Okay.
Then
D.
there
D
is a
and
D
B.
already on the table, but on the D you will now stack the B.
Put the B.
Okay, this is the 6th. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the 6th action. Now from here we'll go backward
Backward.
like this.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Now what is here? On BD. Does the on BD satisfying?
Yes, sir.
Satisfying. So I will pop this. Okay. And now I will come to this part. Now tell me, is this part is satisfying with the current state that you are having?
No, sir.
No. There is a satisfaction of on BD is there. Correct. This is first part is satisfying,
Yes.
but second part is not satisfying.
Not satisfying.
इथं बघा आपण इथं अगोदर सॅटिस्फाय होतं पण ते बरोबर, but when you done all these things and again we come back, now it is not getting satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Again we have to solve this.
Hmm.
You got
On
the point?
AB. Yes, sir.
So you have to solve this. So here you will go to the next part. So here, now this is satisfying, but this is the, you can see this part. Okay, we have simplified this part. Now we have to satisfy on AB part. What this part we have to satisfy on AB. Now on AB, what action you have to perform?
Stack AB.
Stack AB. हा part satisfy झाला आपला, बरोबर ना? हा part. हा
First
part
one.
remaining. So stack AB. Okay, हे जो हा जो arrow आहे ना, मी actually इथे दाखवायला पाहिजे असं आहे.
Wrong झालं.
Here like this. Okay.
Yes,
On
sir.
AB. Okay, let me. So here we have to show like this. Okay. This is got. On AB we have to satisfied. Okay. Now this is also being already pop according to our previous activity. Yes or no? This
Yes,
is also pop. But now when you go to this final goal, this part getting satisfied, but this is not getting satisfied. So in order to make this satisfied, we'll perform the on AB here. What will perform? On AB. Now you have to do the on AB, you have to use the rule stack AB. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So in order to do the stack AB, what precondition has to be get satisfied? Hold A and
Hold A
and clear B.
Clear
So
B.
we'll write this in the simplified form. So you will get on the top of the stack clear B. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So does the clear B satisfying according to our current action?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we'll pop this. Does hold A satisfying?
No, sir.
No, hold A
नाही.
satisfy होत नाही. मग hold A साठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? We used to need to use the another rule, that is the pickup A.
Pick up A.
So in order to do the pickup A, you need arm empty condition precondition on A will be on, should be on the table and clear A. Correct? In order to pick up A, this precondition need to be satisfied. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, according to the current state, whether clear E is there.
Yes, sir.
So we'll pop this. Whether A is on the table.
Yes, sir.
Will this also will
Yes,
get.
sir.
This will also get pop. Arm is also empty. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
everything, every condition, precondition gets satisfied. Can you perform this action now?
Yes, sir. This
So
is
this is
seventh
your
action.
action number 7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what will be your action number 7? Update that in the
Pickup.
notebook. So how will look your action number 7 after action number 7? It will be look like this. Okay, C is on the table. Okay,
B on D.
D on D there is a B, and there is a
Agent
arm holding the
A.
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 arm holding the A. Okay, now you will come to this point. Now does this hold A satisfying?
Yes, sir.
So every precondition required for stacking AB is satisfied.
Yes, sir.
So can we stack AB now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll now 8 action will be what? Putting the A over the B.
B.
So this C will remain as it is, and we'll reach to this point D, then B, and stack AB's effect A. Got the point? Okay, this is the action number 8. Correct?
8.
There?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So where in the previous slide we have done these.
Yes.
Okay, we have done this and we have reached to this point. But if you compare this part, you can see this part is getting satisfied, but this was not getting satisfied. And for that purpose, we have to apply the rule, that is what? Stack AB. Precondition required for stack A, hold A and clear B, that we write in the simplified form, broken form, and we start comparing from the bottom, top of the stack, that is clear B. it is satisfying, but whole day is not satisfying. That's we need to perform another rule and the action, that is pickup A. These are the precondition required for the pickup A. Arm empty on A on table, clear A. This is written in the broken form, simplified form. There we compare the top of the stack with the current action state, and then there is a clear A satisfying, on table A satisfying, arm empty satisfying. That's why we'll perform this action. This is the action number 7. I shown you the effect of that, and then we
Yes.
go backward. Here now hold A satisfying, as all the preconditions satisfying, these action we can perform. Okay, this is the action number 8, where we put the A over the B, and now when you
B.
come back at this point, now both of these part are getting satisfied. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here we have perform our goal stack planning to solve the problem of compound goal block word puzzle. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
And same part I have shown here. This is our action number 1, action 2, action 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and remaining also I have shown. That is the action number 7 and the action number 8. Okay, I hope all of you have got this. You need to practice it once again by remembering that table of rules. Okay, and then you by your own you try to solve this. Okay, that's it for the today's session. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.